Today we are going to discuss about the purpose of testing. So you know the purpose why we are conducting the testing. See, to maintain the quality on consistency of the finished product. Of course, so you know the purpose of testing. See, whenever we are producing the component, if you are not at all able to do the test for the particular component, then we don't have the knowledge about the finished product. That means, see, for example, if we are giving some dimensions, so based on the dimensions only the products are manufactured. So without testing, we are not at all able to check that whether the dimensions are meet out the specific 7 steps involving to select the material. So step number 1 is nothing but identify the design requirements. Step 2 is discussing about identify material selection criteria. Step 3, identify candidate material. Step 4, evaluate candidate material. Step 5, select material. Step 6, failure analysis. Step 7, service experience. So these are all the 7 steps involving to select the material. So we can discuss furtherly in detailed manner. So step 1, identify the design requirements. So these are the parameters involving in the design requirements. We move to the step number 2, identify material selection criteria. So from the step number 1, we should derive the properties. What are the properties the material has possessed? The data is derived from step number 1, that means design requirement. Because design requirement only clearly gives the idea what are the properties of the material has to be selected. Candidate materials. So based on step number 1, we can select the properties of material. This is the step number 2. And step number 3 is identifying candidate material is nothing but this is derived from the previous step. So based on the property, we can select the material for the particular application. Evaluate candidate material. So from step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, we concluded that the aluminium alloy is suitable for making the carburetor. Your step number 4 is involved nothing but, so based on the criteria, we have to develop a prototype model. See, what are all the components in order to, before going to the manufacturing, we have to make the prototype, that is called pilot. Select the materials. So from the previous step, we derived that we are making prototype model. After conducting so many tests in the prototype model, we can conclude that the selection of material is suitable for the particular application. So this is the step number 5, materials. So the previously we discussed about the selection of material. So the selection of material involves 7 steps. So after that, the next topic is factors affecting selection of materials. So what are the factors are affecting the selection of materials? First point is performance. Of course, you know the meaning. Performance. If the performance is not satisfied for the particular product means, then definitely it is affect the selection of material. So what are the performance factors to be included? Means mechanical properties like strength and stiffness, wear of materials, corrosion, effective manufacture cost. So if any one of the property gets failure means it won't give the best performance. The second one is reliability and amount of resistance. Similarly, you know the concept of reliability, survival rate of the component. If the survival rate is very minimum for the particular component then it is also affect the selection of material. And reducibility.